coming back to my channel, and today I filmed a really quick get ready with me video. I wanted this video to be chill. I have no big lights. It's all natural lighting today. I'm in my pajamas. I have a very special day planned today, and I really wanted to film getting ready for it. So I really hope you like this video. Give this video a like if you did, and also if you like what you see and you are new to my channel, I'd absolutely love it if you would hit that subscribe button down below, just so you can keep updated and known about when I post new videos if you want to see more of my videos. But guys, without further ado, let's just go ahead and just jump right into the video. Okay guys, to get started with my makeup, I usually, always go for my beauty blender, and I so could have cleaned it for you guys today, but I didn't. And I'm going to take this Stay Outside Gorgeous spray from Mascara and use that. And I'm going to be using a new foundation today. It's the Neutrogena Healthy Skin Foundation, and I'm in color Neutral Beige. I like the dewy feeling of the foundation. I think it matches my skin really well too. Make sure you go down your neck. Okay guys, next I'm going to grab the Milani Retouch and Erase Concealer for the under eyes. And I'm going to just blend this out with the beauty blender I used to put my foundation on. I really love the coverage of this concealer. I think it is just really thick, and also, but not thick where it creases up, and it's really, it's lightweight, but it's thick, like the coverage is really thick. So I really like that. Okay guys, to set the foundation and concealer, I'm going to be using this. It's a banana setting powder. I don't know. Banana setting powder. It's banana setting powder. I guess that's the name of it. But it's just like that. And I'm just going to use this brush and to set that. Okay guys, to bake the under eye, I'm going to be using this Tarte. This is Smooth Operator. I like to use it to bake. I think it's really good baking powder. So I'm just going to use my beauty blender and go under my eyes and also down here. Just very lightly, because a little goes a long way. Now for the brows, I'm first going to brush them out with this brush. And now I'm going to use this Bella Eyebrow Gel to put my eyebrows on, and I'm going to be using it with this brush. It's a no-namer, but it works. I don't really do anything really spectacular with my brows. Usually I just fill it in, because my eyebrow hair is blonde, so I just need some help. And I'm going to grab some of the concealer and fix the lining of the brow. Now I'm just going to blend this out. And now for the contour, I'm going to be using the Cocoa Contour by Too Faced. This is one of my favorite contour palettes, and I need a new one, so Too Faced. So I'm going to go first into medium cocoa, And that's what I usually like to start off with, the concealer, and then I like to go darker in the outer sides of my face with the dark cocoa, but first starting off with the medium cocoa. So kind of like that. And now going in with the dark cocoa, that is when I like to go more out here and darken it up. And I'm using, I'm using the NYX, this is the contour brush from NYX, very affordable. Now for the blush, I love the Physicians Formula. Their blushes are just so creamy. And this is in color Rosy Pink, Butter Blush. So, Butter Blush makes sense. So I'm just going to put this on my cheeks. And then I also like to put just a little bit on my forehead and just basically all over the face, just to rose it up a bit. Next, I'm going to go on with some highlight, and I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty. This is, I think I'm going to be using the Girl Next Door in this palette, which is this nice pinky one right here. And I'm just going to apply that just a little bit right above the cheekbone. And on the brow bone, going down towards the cheekbone. And also on the nose. Guys, going on for the eyes, I'm going to do something more natural today. Nothing too crazy. So I think what I'm going to start off using, if you've seen my June and July favorites video, you would know that I am like really obsessed with the Balm Cosmetics. And this is like a pretty shade that I got sent. Is this nice neutral color, and it's called I'm not even going to try again. Go watch my favorites video to know more about this product. But I'm just going to grab this little fluffy brush right here. And I'm just going to grab this, oh my goodness, Megan. Grab this nice little fluffy brush like this one right here. Actually, I think I like to use the bigger one. Yeah. This bigger fluffy brush just has really good blending, so I'm going to grab some of that color right there and just blend that all into the crease area. This palette was also in my June and July favorites, so just make sure you check that out. I'll put it up on the screen sometime during the video so you can click that and watch it. But I'm going to be going into with this color right here in the My Little Pony palette, this nice like pinky tone, and I'm going to apply that in the crease area just to get more of a pinky tone. There you go. And now going in also with the Tarte Light and Bloom palette, also my favorites. I'm going to go in with a Smarty Pants, and then with the Rebel and Leader, I'm going to really define the line, which you'll see in a minute. So I'm just going to apply this on top of those two colors. This one's just kind of going to tone it down just a tad with more of a bronzed color. And then going with Sweetheart, which is a nice little light tinted pink color, and also applying that on the same colors. From the same concealer packet, I'm just going to squeeze some concealer there. There we go. And I'm going to apply that to the lid area using this nice like small precise like brush, and that is what I'm going to do on the lid area. Now going in with this Luxie brush, this kind of like small like flat brush, I'm going to go in with Charmer and then a little bit of Flower Child on the lid area to really set that concealer. Going in with something like this, it's a very precise brush, angled brush. I'm going to grab some of the Rebel and Leader. It's like a red and then like a deeper red. And I'm just going to follow that line to give it more of a precise angle. And don't worry, we will blend this out. And then we're going to darken out that crease. So we're going to now grab this brush and just really blend that out. This is a good old fluffy side. Works wonders. And then kind of darken out this area right here and then just smoking it out. So just like that. So I'm just blending this all in now into the colors. And now grabbing the same, I'm going to now go under my eye, give it that nice kind of smoky but not at the same time under the eye. Grabbing this brush again, I'm going to grab, let's see, Smoke Show, and it's a black color, and I'm just going to go right underneath the eyelashes, above the eyelashes, to just add some color back there. Because I'm not going to be adding wings today because I kind of like it without it. Now for the mascara, if you've been with me for a while, you know I love this stuff. It kind of reminds me of the Too Faced mascara. It's like the same packaging, the brush is exactly the same, it's just a different brand. Okay guys, next for the lips, I'm going to be using the Contour Cosmetics. This was also in my favorites video. I just love this lip liner, and this is in color Juju number 4. So I'm just going to outline my lips and then fill them in. Oh my gosh. Come here guys, look at this. Come here. Addison did her makeup as well. Here. She did her makeup as well. She is just so cute. She like always has to appear in the videos. Alright guys, now I'm just going to lip line and just fix anything with these lips. Alright guys, I just thought of something. If we can get this video to, let's say, 50 likes, I know it's possible. If we can get this video to 50 likes, I'll have Addison teach me how to do makeup. So if we can get this video to 50 likes, I'll have Addison teach me how to do makeup. Alright guys, that was it. I really hope you liked the video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And like I said, if we get this video to 50 likes, I'll have Addison teach me how to do makeup. So make sure you just hit that like button before you leave. And also, don't forget to subscribe before you go so you can just be updated and just like updated and known when I post new videos if you like what you see. So guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye! Behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.